Hello, welcome to Geek and Son. I have my phone today and that's it. I've been doing this rental, this Dirty Rotten Renters series, and I bought a new fridge. I apologize for the quality of this video, but I didn't bring my other camera. I wanted to catch this. This fridge I bought used is when you plug in the water, when you hook up the water for the ice maker and for the fridge water in the door, it just goes right through like there's no valve turned off at all. So I'm about to replace the water inlet valve, and I wanted to get that, and I'll do the rest of the installation when I get the new part with the regular camera, but this part's going to be shaky. By the way, thanks for watching. Here is the back of the fridge, and there is the water inlet valve. And I just took off basically this piece of cardboard that's on the back of the fridge. Let me zoom out. Got to zoom down as we get, and it's over here on this side, and it's the water inlet valve. And as you can see, it's got two water hoses going underneath, the black one and the clear one, and then there's the one that goes out to the wall, I assume. And all you have to do is take off this one screw and then replace the power. The reason I'm taking it out now is so I can get the part number off of it, but it looks very common, and I'm just going to order one on Amazon, and I'll leave a link for that in the description. So I'm not going to show taking this screw out because it's not that difficult. I wish I had my regular camera here, the GoPro or the other one, but I know from experience these can be tricky to get out, these connections, but all you do is press them in and then the hose will pull out, and maybe I can show that with the reinstallation with the good camera. I had to show this even with the bad camera. I'm making a huge mess. I don't have anything to catch it in because I'm at the rental. And so I'm gonna go see if I can find something to catch the water in and something to clean up this mess I just made. Here's the piece that I got out of the fridge. Pretty standard. General purpose, blah, blah, blah. 35 watt, does that say? 35 watt made in China, 20 watt. So maybe they're different things. I was hoping for a part number, but I don't see it. Sorry for the video quality. But I'm guessing one of these circuits is out. So I'll just replace it, they're cheap.